Welcome to my YouTube channel, Duke's Casual. Today I'm going to teach you how to produce this face on a Cineton material. This is part 2 of this design. So please feel free to go on the description box below and get the link to the part 1. Okay, sit down and follow this video to the end. Don't miss any part, you won't regret it. And welcome to my YouTube channel. Having cut out the face, the glass and others, all you just need to do is the shining part of your gobstay to the wrong side of your fabric. Make it to face the wrong side of your fabric and you iron. Yes, all you just need to do here is to cut with 1/2 inch. Okay, leave 1/2 inch as allowance to each of them: the glass, the face, okay, the cap head, and the cap itself. Okay. This is the eyeglass. All you can do is you can actually fold this. Okay, you can fold it this way, and follow that pattern, or you can cut it a bit close, like 1/4 inch. Okay, 1/4 inch left, right? You can use 1/4 inch, and then you place it on top of your front fabric and put it on a weaving machine or your zigzag machine and zigzag it round. But for tutorial purpose, I'll fold it. So all I just need to do is cut a bit here, cut little here, cut this little close. All right, I cut like 1/4 inch, close, close, close. Here, I fold this, and you do this for all of them. If this video has been of help to you, please don't forget to drop a comment on the comment section. Click on like button. Right, don't forget we'll post videos every week. Okay, feel free to visit our channel every week and share this link with your friends on social media. All right, after some folding, you can see, try to fold it. Please make sure you fold it round. All right, for tutorial sake, you can see that all these parts I need to fold them again, but I just need to show you how it is. Okay, so you can go back and fold it properly. If it's like this, if it's bulging out, go back and iron it. Okay, and press it. Make use of your pressing wood. All right, this is your pressing wood. ironing. Press it. Okay, this is now the face. I've ironed it. This is now the face. You can see. Folded it. Alright. Then this is the glass. Eyeglass. This is the bead, nose and the bead. While this is part of the cap, the face cap. And finally, so all you just need to do is you gum it. Okay. You gum it. Make sure this is aligned with this. Okay. Make sure it's aligned. So when you view it from afar, you see the face. Thank you. If this video has been of help to you, please click on the like button. Drop your comment on the comment section. Are there places, are there ways I need to work on? Please drop it at the comment section. If you have not subscribed, subscription is free. Please, especially when you are new to my channel, click on subscribe, okay? And share this video with your friends on social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. The more you comment, the more you like, the more it encourages me to do more videos. See you in our next video. Bye bye.